Good morning, people. So, a long time ago, I realized when I was building that, dude, there's gotta be a better way to do this. What? Whatever, this will have to do. Anyways, this is take two, actually. I recorded this once, and then my thumb slipped, and I erased the video. But, so a long time ago, a little old me, when I was when I was building planes on the daily, I did not have a way to hold my latches down. I used to just tape it down right here. Let me show you. I used to just tape this down right here and then just cut the tape and add more tape. And over time I realized, damn, that's a lot of tape just sitting on my airplane because I didn't take the tape off. I just kind of kept taping over it. I found a new method, right? I don't know if it's a new method, but I'm just going to put it out there as a tip because this is what I use. Barbecue skewers had already been used a lot, but I realized zip ties are a thing, you know? Because they're a thing. You just kind of, let me show you guys. You just kind of loop the zip tie up. You see what I'm saying? Right here. You just kind of loop it up right here, right? Kind of loop it up right there, you know? And you glue them to the frame of the airplane, and you run the barbecue skewer through it. And then you have another part that's on the actual other frame of the airplane, like one on the latch and one on the airplane. And then you go bam, bam, bam. There you go. And now your latch is secured and you're good to go. And I also got a little thing to hold my vertical stabilizer. When I'm flying, I'd be like this, but when I'm throwing the vertical stabilizer on my backpack, I throw this barbecue skewer off, and so the stabilizer doesn't get damaged. Get creative. Use it for whatever you want. Use it to hold your life together. I don't know, man. Yeah, that's that video. That was that entire video. My standards have really dropped since the last time I made a video. Good talk. How do you guys hold your latches down, by the way? And why have you guys not told me? I'm not stressing. This is innovation right here. Elon Musk should be scared for me. I'm coming for you.
I'm coming for you.
Elon Musk.
Run.
Tell your security not to do anything about it.